Okay, so first off, you may be wondering why you're looking at the ground, why you're looking at a disgusting looking trash can, but let me show you something amazing. So here we got a trash can, disgusting as crap, but the problem is you can't get it out anyhow. You need some way to get it out, right? So I made this nice, beautiful little wire here thing. You just pull it. You just pull it. Okay, and so this is how it was done. See this wire? It was just wrapped around. See, just wrapped around. Just wrapping around this wire here. That's all we did. All we used was some beautiful, beautiful little needle nose pliers. That's all we used. Okay. And so here we go. We just wrapped it around, and look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's on this beautiful slider, but look. Oh, yes. Oh, and it works so beautifully. So beautifully. I'm not going to show you that because it's disgusting, but oh, yes. It works so well. So well. So, if you ever need a tip here, just use a wire hanger. That's all I used. Some nice needle nose pliers, and bada bing, bada boom. Yeah. Yes. That's all I got. Have a good day.